We have come to hunt for catfish, sausage juveniles or fingerlings or whatever you call it. Yes. This is a rice farm, and you know, rice farms are usually fond of collecting water. Hey, however, there's one fish here. Yes, not that big, but it has been. I always catch it, and so the farmer told us yesterday how there are a lot of fish, catfish seeds here. Then we decided to come and harvest them and raise them. And why are we even doing this? I have experience with one farmer who actually went to the wild water body and harvested catfish juveniles, and then also bought some from hatchery point. And then those he brought from the wild, they grew faster than the normal one. But here, it's not easy to get them. We thought we could easily just catch them with scooping nets. Unfortunately, it's not like that. The water is just small in corners. Then, oh, 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 oh. Have you gotten it? Hey, it's all removed from my hand. You know they are slippery. You have gotten some. Yes. So, he has fallen down again. These sizes, in fact, they are jumbo sizes. They are bigger than fingerlings. So we find water into bowl and we are gathering them. So we want to, at the end of the day, yes, I think we have gotten some. I can say now we have gotten over 100 pieces. We want to try them to see how fast they can grow. Yes. So we'll keep you updated. But like I said, we thought we could easily use the net to harvest them, but unfortunately we couldn't. So we have to be going down in the farm where you see little water around. Then you put your hand, and there's something that you have to note. When the water gets dirty, it is easier to get the fish than when it is clean. That is when you put your hand, go around, and then the mat turn around all the pond. Then it is much easier at that time to have the fish or to take them out there. This is the rice farm. But now, when they are still strong in the water, they become very difficult to get them. But once you put your hand and the mat turn around the water, it becomes easier. And there's a clue here, or there's something we have to take away here. And the takeaway is that when the water is good and there is good oxygen and the fish are breathing well, they are thriving well. What happens here is that when you turn the mat inside the water and the water becomes too thick, they cannot breathe again. So they become weak and then you can easily catch them. But when the water is so clean, it's difficult. At the same time, applies to the water in our fish ponds. The water in the pond too, if you don't change it or have filtration system, and then the water gets dirty, very thick with their feces, leftover feed, and all that, it becomes difficult. My brother has gotten some again. Let me see. Hey, you are even a master of the fish. So now that is it. So this is indication that even in the wild water body, if the water is dirty and they can't breathe, it hurts them. The same thing applies when the water also in your fish pond is dirty and they can't breathe, you get them. You see what I'm saying? See how he's doing it. Now, if the mud just turn in the water and the water turn into mud, if there's any fish there, you can easily get them. And these fish, they are bigger. Yes, they are jumbo. There are some too even more bigger. For instance, see here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at that. And we have some already in the jerrycan for transportation. In fact, we have traveled for a very long place to have this, go back to Tamale to try them to see how they will grow faster and healthier. Let me take a picture. Yes, let me take, hold it. I want to, yes, we are hunting. So this is fingerling hunting. It has fallen in the water. Thank God. There's little water here too. Oh, we are not done with there. Okay, so you, okay. So now it's interesting. We are playing a nice game here. If you want to join, let us know in the comment section. So that our next trip, we invite you. You come and hunt with us. It's never easy to get them. It's never easy. So a big one, he wants to catch, and it's giving us troubles. You know, fish, so the catfish, they're very strong when they are in water, especially when the water is good for them. It's only when the water quality becomes less, then they become weak and you can easily get them. And the same thing applies to the fish in the ponds. So we will try this to see how fast or how quick they will grow. And then later we can do comparison to see. But in all, they are doing well. However, can we say we have gotten up to 100, including the one we got from the children? So what happened is that when we came here, we didn't know there were kids who even came to also hunt them. For them, they had to chop them. That's small or tiny fingerlings. So we came, then they already harvested a lot of them. I think the method they use. So we could also use the net. They also start using this. And so we just collected the healthy and strong ones from them. And at least we have given them something. We bought them to, and then we are also hunting for ourselves. Just a little game. Then when we get home, we can try them to see how fast they will grow or how strong they will grow. And believe me, I want to believe that the way they have been able to survive in this place, definitely they will be strong and survive. There's one here. I'm trying to catch one here. It's just within here. Just within here. Within here. Yeah, you have gotten it. You have gotten it. You have gotten it. Yes. 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 Hey, this is a nice game. Come and join us. And if there's a water, especially small water, and you are there observing, if there's fish there, you see to be, you see some small shakings or bubbles or disturbing to indicate that there's fish there. Then you put your hand in there, and then you can easily get it. But you have to take note. It's not only the fish that are in the water. Yes, we also have frogs. We have toads, and the things that we don't want to mention. Unfortunately, they are also there. So even as you are there doing, you should be careful. We still have small water here. We end the video. No, my brother, come and see. Big one. Oh my God. Yes. It just start from that small water and yes, and it's now here in little big water. You see how they're following the water? It's canted around here. I mean that there could be a lot of fish here. So you have gotten that. Yes. So yes, I'll put down the camera. Then we will harvest more of them. They are there. You see this water? There's water here all over. So we are likely to get more fishes here. Yes, more fishes here. And I can see the water shaking, indicating that there's fish. So let's stop. So we'll keep you updated. But if you want to play the game with us, let us know in the comment section. Then next time when we are coming, we invite you over. Then we come and do. Unfortunately, when this water dries up, until next season, next year, this same season, we can't get them again. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. All we're doing the channel to share fish farm tips based on our experience and research. And today, we have gone to the wild to see how we can get juveniles or jumbo or whatever, because they're mixed size here, to raise them to see how strong and healthy they will be. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. Yes, this is what we have done. We have hot water here, and that's where we put our harvest fish in to transport them. Now, you see, we just brought the live ones. Yes. So we'll do this. You see that? See that? Ha. Yeah. I got a call. So we'll transfer them. Some of them. Yes. So see the size. These are jumbo sizes. You want to see they're active? Let's take them here and pour them inside. You can dodge it. Yes. So we carry this on our motorbike and then go to Tamale. So we want to reduce this so that the weight will reduce more, so we can easily carry it on a bike. The water is so high. It's okay now. It's okay now. Yes. You can easily carry this one home. Yeah, that is it. Let's see how it will go. Brought our wild juveniles or fish. So we want to stock them. So we have temporary place for them. So let's see how it goes. Oh, oh, look how active they are. Very active. Yes. Oh. Just pour everything. Hey, just pour everything. But no, it's overflowing. Okay, anyway, the grass wet already. Um, we are going to stock them here temporarily. In fact, we just want to put them here temporarily. But let's see. We are supposed to actually acclimatize them and use that oil water. But I want to know their accounts, so we'll keep them here and then we'll come there inside. Hey. Sorry. So we place this strategically so that some sunlight will be getting here through the window. Hey, I can't even quite remember. Okay. Our wild juveniles here, as see, they are more than fingerlings. Now, they are even jumbo. So, totally, we have counted them 168. This is far, far more than the capacity of this container, obviously. So, like I mentioned earlier, this is just temporary. In a few days' time, we shall get a tank and move them into where they can get more space. But for now, because they are a little smaller, they can be here and they are doing fine. But when they grow, there will not be space for them. And we kept it here strategically in the sense that they need sunlight for growth, and excessive sunlight is also dangerous for them. So we need balance. So we kept it here so that when the sun is going down, there will be a little sunlight coming from the window to hit them. And if you also put it directly exposed to sunlight, because this container is small, the water temperature can change or can rise, and that can also kill them. So this is balanced. But like I said, the number is more than this. So this is temporary. We can say this is a quarantine tank until we get a bigger tank and move them in and see how they'll grow. Thank you so much. If you have subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and then let's see. So we have transferred them from the wild place where we harvested them, and we got to this place. We had terrain mortality, and this is normal. Even when you get them from hatching center, the time you get to their destination, sometimes you face mortality. And the journey actually is not a small one. We have stressed them with a motorbike in a can with excessive sunlight. At least only 3 are dead, so this is fine. So let's see how this wild fish will perform, and then we can see that they are good for stocking. The only unfortunate thing is that it's not all the time you can get them like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and then please check out our resources in the description. We have our course DIY flotation aging system. You learn how to build your own flotation system to produce your own farm. Or if you are entire beginner in fish farming and want to know exactly how to begin, where to begin, and where to end, we also have a course that teach you everything about fish farming, and that is catfish and tilapia. You can also check the link out, subscribe to that channel, and then watch the videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.